Hello students, let us read this question. Write down pair of integers whose a. sum is minus 7, b. difference is minus 10 and c. sum is 0. So in this question we have to find out pair of integers for which sum of the integers will give us minus 7, difference will give us minus 10 and sum will give us 0. So let us consider the first where we want sum is minus 7. So in this first we need sum is minus 7. So we can consider two integers like we can consider minus 7 and 0. So if we find out the sum of these two integers, it will be minus 7 plus 0, which will give us minus 7. And we want the sum to be minus 7. So we can say that one pair of integer is minus 7 and 0. And we want another integer for which the sum is minus 7. So we can consider minus 3 and minus 4 also. So if we find out the sum for this, it will be minus 3 plus minus 4, which will be minus 3 minus 4, which will give us sum as minus 7. So minus 3 and minus 4 is a pair of integers for which sum is minus 7. Now let us consider the second case for which we want difference to be minus 10. So we want difference is minus 10. So one pair of integers will be minus 10 and 0, because if we find out the sum, minus 10 plus 0 will give us minus 10. So one pair of integers is this, and second will be minus 5 and 5. So if we find out this we want the difference, so here it will come minus. So minus 10 minus 0 will give us minus 10. Now this will be minus 5 minus of, since we want difference, so minus 5 minus of 5. So this will be minus 5 minus 5. So if we take minus common, so it will be 5 plus 5, which is nothing but minus of 10. So we found out the pair of integer for which difference is minus 10. Now we want a pair of integer for which sum is 0. So let us consider sum is 0. So we can consider two integers, 2 and minus 2, and second one is 9 and minus 9. So let us try to find out their sum. So it will be 2 plus minus 2, which is nothing but 2 minus 2, which will give the sum as 0. Similarly, 9 plus minus of 9, which will give us 9 minus 9. So sum comes out to be 0. So therefore in this question we have found out pair of integers satisfying the given conditions. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.